Sudden danger.
Hi everyone, so this is me without a Scooby-Doo in the world. What I'm doing, I've been told that replacing these puddle lights on the 2015 Mk3 TTS. If you've got puddle lights installed already, so we've got standard puddle lights, came as standard on the TTS, or came on this TTS anyway. I've been told that they just pop in and out, so you'll see the design that I've picked. I've got genuine Audi replacement puddle lights. This is what they look like. Not fitted. So I'm hoping that this is a really easy pop one out, pop one in job, but let's find out. Okay, that's a good start. Wow, certainly pops out easy enough. And then got great start. Wow, nice and easy. So let's hope these ones go back in just as easy. Obviously I was hoping that was just going to come straight on, and it hasn't. So I'm going to try and unplug it. Say hello to the cat. Trying to do this without breaking the connector. Okay, let's put the old one back in and see if it lights up again, or if I've broken something. Okay, so I'm going to try and close the door. Right, going to have to move the camera and close the door. So having just run that test off camera, as you can see, Puddle Light's now back on. So it must just be a case of when you unclip the old one, light goes out, need to put the new one in, hopefully close it down and then reopen it. So yeah, close the door, reopen, and it should hopefully work. Oh. So let's try this again. This is where I get cocky and break something. So I'll one out. Now, worth noting that there is definitely a difference in shade. So before I click that back in, I'm hoping that that is perfectly normal. Sure it is, but yeah, definitely doesn't look any different in terms of the connectors, really. A little bit different, but this one's definitely a lot harder to click into. Oh look, and this time it's come on. So pop that up and with a bit of pressure, hopefully. It's tight like a tiger. Does not want to go in. Let's see if a screwdriver will help us get it back in. There we go. And that is how you replace a puddle light. A genuine Audi part for Audi part. So I'll do the other door and then I'll show you the effects. So you can kind of see on the ground in the daylight. So I think that's quite good. You do get some visibility. I mean, it's evening currently, so it's coming up for 8 o'clock. So literally that took so little time to do the first one that I'm literally leaving the engine running from moving the car to pop this second one out. So literally just using a small flathead screwdriver and then undo this connector. And again, comparison. There's your old versus your new. So pop the new one in. It's quite cool against the blue paint. job's a good one. So yeah, I'll take some photos and then I'll get some footage of them once it gets dark.
And I'm wondering.